Hi, I'm Martin. If you have explored the new subscription billing module in Business Central lately, you're actually looking at technology we at Singhammer built. Back in 2024, Microsoft integrated our DYCE core app into the Business Central standard. But as any expert knows, standard is just the beginning. Real-world contracts can get complex. That is why we've launched the DYCE Feature Suite for subscription billing to handle the advanced pricing models that your business demands and simplify working with subscription billing. So let's have a look at the advanced billing models we are offering. We are offering a flat tier and a true tier pricing. Let's assume your customer requests a total of 25 users of a certain product. If you define flat tier pricing, a single fixed fee is charged based on the total quantity, defined by the specific price bracket. So in this case, the price bracket is the one up to 30 users, so the system will suggest a price of 399 euros. Nevertheless, if the customer requests 20, 25, or 29 users, but as soon as he leaves the bracket, a new price will be calculated. When you use true tier pricing, every price bracket will be added. So the first 10 users have a price of 99 euros, the next 10 users have a price of 69 euros, and the additional 5 users of the third bracket have a price of 49 users, which in this case leads the overall price of 217 euros. So let's jump into the system and see how this works. We are starting by creating a sales order for our customer, DYCE software and services. So what we are using is the flat tier price suite and the true tier price suite. And as shown in the slide, we will sell 25 users. So in this case, the flat tier price suite, as the 25 users fall into the bracket of 399 euros, the system will create a line amount of 399 euros. And as expected, the true tier price suite, 25 users, are calculated by 217 euros. Just to show you how this works, so let's jump into another price bracket, and the system will recalculate the prices accordingly. But let's get back to the 25 users. An additional feature we are offering is that you can add the customer subscription directly to a contract coming from the sales order. By using that field, I can select from the customer subscription contracts and directly pre-assign the service commitments to the contract. In this case, I want to use that flat tier contract for that line and the true tier pricing contract for that line. And once I post the sales order, everything works as expected. And when I jump into the customer subscription contract, the line is directly assigned and is ready to invoice. So that is how smooth we can work. So what is necessary to set this up? We have extended the sales price lists to enable you to use our pricing features. So let's check the flat tier price list first. We see that I've decided that we see the columns for flat tier pricing. In this case, I just set it up as shown in the PowerPoint slide. So we defined the flat tier price suite, and we decide the minimum quantity and the amount for the price tier. And as this is a flat tier pricing, the system will check which price bracket the user falls in and will select this amount. While if we check the true tier pricing, the system will run through all necessary price list lines and add up the amounts for the price tier. That is how everything works, simple as that, and the users are ready to go and have a very simple and easy billing. So complex billing shouldn't slow down your growth. With the DYCE Feature Suite, you're taking the Microsoft standard to the next level. If you want to see how this fits your specific pricing models, let's talk.